I have to replace the pressure valve on my Power Pressure Cooker XL. This was kind of confusing. The part in question looks like this. Parts. These are actually replacement parts that I ordered off of eBay. What happened was I had the pressure cooker out. I was trying to wash the lid because the lid can get kind of grotty, and I took the little part of the lid off. It's still wet because I just washed it again, sorry. And this is what it looks like. This is kind of older. And pull it out for cleaning. Yeah, so you always want to make sure it's in this way. So this kind of goes here. Sorry to make anyone dizzy with my terrible camera work here. And we see these two holes in it. This one is where that valve is or whatever, but this one is the one that you want to deal with. Notice how it's just a hole. There's nothing really much going on there. And if we look on the other side, it's empty right now because what happened was when I was cleaning it, that whole, all of that stuff just fell out onto the ground, never to be seen again. This little tiny gasket, moment of panic, fell into some sort of nether region on my floor, and I didn't realize my floor was some kind of vortex of nothingness, but never was seen again. So again, I ordered this off of eBay for like $13 for this and a replacement ring. So I don't think it was a bad deal because it came with this thing again, because this thing as well, which also fell out, but I was able to save that thing. But okay, so what you want to do is you want to just take this thing with the little, see the little nubbin on the bottom here? The nubbin has to go straight through. So you have to just nubbin side down, drop it down. Then it's going to come out like, this. Okay. Then the little plasticky rubber thing is going to go on the bottom. So I'm going to take a short break. Alright, I don't know if you can see this, but this, I'm having to use my eyeliner brush. Okay, that is my eyeliner brush, and it is going to be sticking down into that hole to keep that little nubbin thing down. So I stuck that eyeliner brush in the hole, and now I'm sticking on the goofy little plastic thing. Okay, there. Now it will work again. Okay, so now, like, see how this can go up and down a little bit, but not, it can't just go right straight through. Now it is fixed. So supposedly now this will work and be a functional Power Pressure Cooker XL again. Yay.